Jeep lovers. This is about my Jeep and other things that I've made, welding and constructing, and you can see on my Jeep here I put some Harbor Freight hooks on the front and an outlet here for jumper cables and some lights, and I also made a hood lock with a eye bolt and a lock. I'll get into that more sometime and show you the basics. And oh, I found a top for it. The other one, when I got this 2 years ago, it was pretty ragged. Locking gas cap, a new cover for the spare tire, built a trailer hitch. I'll show more of that, and this recovery hook, and this the hook there in the middle, and the outlet for the trailer. And I hope this video goes well. This is my first, and I made a shop press and some other welded things I'll get into. Don't judge me too harshly. This is my first video. Maybe my last, but maybe not.